Our mission is to develop good working relationships with our customers, to provide excellent service, a superior product, and competitive pricing. Since 1972, Wilson Machine and Welding Incorporated has provided quality machining and fabrication services throughout the Southeast and nationwide. Our wide range of CNC, NC, and manual machining capacity enables us to perform almost any size or type of job. We offer custom gear cutting. We cut custom spur, bevel, helical, and worm gears. Having substantial fabrication facilities and equipment with crane capacity up to 75 tons, we routinely fabricate heavy ductwork, hoppers, structural weldments, and custom machinery. We have heavy rolling and bending capabilities. Our millwrights are highly skilled and experienced and can rebuild any type of mechanical components. No job is too small or too large. You can be assured your next project will be completed on time and done right. Call us today. We have 3 convenient locations in Cordova, Decatur, and Hillsboro to serve you.